Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing the Estarer camera bag. Alright, this is the outside of the bag. We have two straps for your tripod. Alright, let's go to the back of the bag. We have a pocket. Alright, we're going to test the depth of the pocket using my smartphone. Alright, and just slide it in real quick. Zoop. And alright, almost the length of the LG K10 smartphone. Right, almost the length. Right, let's turn the bag to the front, and we also have a pocket to the front. This is a weird pocket. I was about to say horizontal or vertical, but I guess it doesn't matter again. Let's test the depth of the pocket, and yep, almost the length of the LG K10 again. Alright, let's close up that pocket, and then we're going to open the bag. This is the bag as it is when I first took it out of the box. It actually came in a zipper, Ziploc bag looking thing, and yep, I just took it out and did a review. That's a rainfly later on that, and that's how the bag comes. It doesn't come assembled, all the flaps are stuck together. Alright, we have a pocket here. Pocket is for composition exercise books. Very nice, thumbs up. Right, but it doesn't fit folders, much to my disappointment. As you can see, nope. Shake your head, no. Okay, but if you want to put folders in this bag, there is a laptop pocket in the top, so I guess you could put your folder in there. I don't know why I did not mention that or did not show that, but I'm pretty sure you can fit your folder there. Alright, this is my laptop, the HP something, HP 15. Yep, it fits in there, and I'm going to zip it up to prove that it fits. Yep, it fits lovely. Now take it out. Good boy. Right, what next? Close up. Alright, and yes, now for these flaps things in the Velcro stuff. Alright, that black strap there is to hold your lens later on that. Alright, now I'm going to remove this Velcro stuff. Alright, so this is how it is. These are very good. They're thick and they don't bend much. I mean, they do bend, but it's very good. Alright, now fast forward, I'm taking the stuff out, and we also have two long vertical strips. These will be used as your as like your main supports. This is going to be like your stem for your tree, and everything else is going to be like your branches. Alright, now we're going to assemble it in fast forward motion. The part where the Velcro is, where I'm touching there, that is going to be towards the back of the bag. Alright, yeah, I think I made a mistake here. So when you're supposed, just look at the video, and that's how you're gonna set up the bag. No Gaskin, that goes on the, okay, yeah, that goes there. Alright, don't worry about straightening the support. It's gonna be weird, and most likely you would have to take it out and put it back in, and take it out and put it back in multiple times before you actually get a configuration you're happy with. So don't expect to buy this bag, set it up right away, and just run and gun with it. I was actually disappointed. I had a gig to go to, and I was like, alright, I bought the bag, let me just open it and then go out with it. But no, the bag, all the bags, those Velcro stuff, they were not situated. They were all, you saw how it was when I first opened the bag. It was practically like that, and I did not have the time. Whoops, I did not have the time to open the to set up the bag. So I was like, I'm going to just use the bag that the Amazon, that my SL2 holiday bundle came with. That bag was trash, so I would not recommend using that bag. Use that bag as long as it takes to buy this bag. Alright, and there's the black strap I was talking about that will hold your lens together. Alright, and you see, we have multiple of these sticky stuff left. So you're free to change whatever thing you want. Alright, boom. Here is the bag, and here's my setup. I have my tripod on the outside of the bag. See my front pocket. This is a VKO SD card holder. It has space for, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 SD cards, and you can also store the micro SD cards under the SD cards. That was in the outer pocket. And let's open up the main pocket. Alright, I don't have my notebook there, I totally forgot about that. But let's talk. Let's look. Alright, that's my Takstar SCG microphone. That's the microphone you hear me talking with most of the time. That is a power bank. Very cheap. A cheap power bank, but I've had it for a long time. That's the nut that used to turn my tripod into a monopod. Yep, let's put stuff back in the bag so I don't forget. I don't leave stuff out. I really should put that nut in a plastic bag, because that nut and bolt would easy to get lost. Alright, in that leather pouch is a very terrible lavalier mic, so I won't even talk about that. This is a dummy battery, an AC adapter for my Canon SL2. This is the K&F Concept ND filter. It's a $20 ND filter, but it's really good. Well, of course you don't want to be shooting in direct sunlight, but if you do, this ND filter is godsend. It's amazing. Right, this is the arm for my video light, and that's a phone clamp. A clever USB wall adapter. That's my video light, my Limo Studio video light. Notice how I have it mounted vertically inside of the bag to show the depth. That is the 75 to 300mm Canon lens, and I have it standing vertically in the bag. That is to show depth of the bag. This is my battery pocket, the OEM Canon charger, and I have an Oprada ×2 LPE16 batteries. Right at the top of the bag is my Canon SL2. I have it mounted with the 18-55mm lens, and that black thing next to it, that's my rainfly. More on that a bit later. Alright, and that's my setup for this bag. See, I changed it from the previous BRoll, and yeah, now to close up the bag, zip, thumbs up, and slowly zoom out because yep. Alright, and now for some B-roll of me with the bag. Alright, let's talk about how the tripod mounts to the bag. Okay, this is pretty normal how the tripod mounts. One thing though, that the tripod weighs down the bag, so you see it's kind of twisted on my back, and I can definitely feel that. What I should have tried was to tighten my right side bag strap so that the bag will be more even on my back. This is how the bag looks with the rainfly. When you have the rainfly on this bag, you'd want to ensure that the top of the bag is covered by the rainfly. Because I used the rainfly once and I tried my hardest to cover the bottom of the bag. Well, the top of the bag is more important because that's where I have my SL2. So you have to make sure that the zippers in particular are covered by the rainfly. And that was my review of the Estarer camera bag. Now links to the bag and the products featured in the bag in the BRoll segment would be in the description down below. So if you want to pick up the bag or any of the products that I used in the bag, feel free to use my links. It'll give me a little bit of a kickback and I'll greatly appreciate it. Now, question for you. Would you guys pick up this bag based off of my review? Let me know in the comments down below. And also, if you don't have this bag, what bag are you using? Are you fancy with a peak design bag or a lower pro bag? Or are you basic? Amazon basic? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm very interested to see what kind of bags you guys have. Alright, so like this video if you like it. If you didn't like it, let me know in the comments down below why you didn't like it. Share with your friends or not. No, don't do that. Yeah, but thanks for watching everyone. Bye.